Hello friends, recently Karnataka High Court said that the Law Commission of India would have to rethink about the age criteria in the case of age for consent to take into consideration the ground realities. Welcome to PRoTalent Digital. We are bringing detailed news items with important facts from the exam point of view and analysis of this issue. Dosto, what is this issue all about? Karnataka High Court dismissed a case which was filed under POCSO. POCSO stands for Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. The court said that a girl is below 18 years, but she is above 16 years of age and she has given consent, and should we consider that consent as a valid consent or not? Generally, you can say consent given by a girl below 18 years of age will not be considered, and thereby it will be treated as a rape in POCSO, even in IPC. However, in POCSO Act 2012, several provisions of IPC as well says that whosoever commits a penetrative sexual assault on a child, that is anyone below 18 years of age, can be imprisoned for a term not less than 7 years, which may extend to the life imprisonment as well. Let us say, even if the girl is 16 years of age, she is considered as child under POCSO, and hence her consent doesn't matter, and any sexual intercourse is treated as rape even though it is consensual. Now, this age of consent is generally misused by, you can say, a lot of people. There have been several instances in the past few years when the courts have to quash the criminal proceedings of rape and kidnapping after being convinced that the law was being misused, and the suits are filed by one of the parties. There are many similar kind of, you can say, cases have taken place where a minor girl and a boy are into severe distress because of their family circumstances. Sometimes the parents who are disgruntled, they file a case to remove this relationship between this adolescent. In Vijayalakshmi versus State of Representative case of 2021, Madras High Court said that, look, the child under Section 2D of POCSO can be redefined as someone who is of 16 years of age. The court suggested that age difference in the consensual relationship should not be more than 5 years. This will ensure that a girl is in the impressionable age, that is of the lower age, and she is not taken for an advantage by a person who is much older. Sometimes girls run away because they believe that, look, our parents will not allow, you can say, to marry a particular boy. Sometimes parents who want to control on their daughters or sons, and they want to ensure that their sons and daughters are marrying to a particular person, and then thereby they elope, and then police capture them, and then police book a boy on the rape charges under the POCSO as well as abduction with an intent to marry. So there are a lot of challenges are taking place, especially for the boys. Here, governments need to relook into this issue with courts and the rights activists. They are seeking some changes in the age of consent criteria. More importantly, the awareness has to be spreaded among the adolescent. Adolescents have to be made aware about the stringent provisions of POCSO. If they are not aware and they end up committing such kind of mistakes, they will have a lot of trouble. You remember that there has been a discussion happening about increasing the minimum age of marriage. There is a parliamentary committee which is looking into Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021, which seeks to increase the minimum age of marriage for women to 21 years of age. There are so many people who believe that raising the age will force vulnerable women to remain under the control of family. They will remain in the social pressure, and more importantly, such kind of POCSO scenario will create a lot of trouble. I hope you understood this idea. If you have your opinion on this issue, please put that into comment box. I will be more than happy to respond to that. Thank you and all the best.